Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today is my second session in my root canal journey. So today is July 11, 2025 and today is my appointment. Let's say that my man is commit near. In case the andere vorten is bestehen, so there is my oversetzer. So, continuation ng aking ngipin. Ayan, nakita niyo yung white. So, after 2 weeks, ganun dito guys, hindi siya agad-agad. Talagang termin-termin. So, yeah. Nag-drive na lang kami. Pwede naman lakarin guys, kaso nakakatamad maglakad. Malapit lang naman. Pero nakakatamad kasi maglakad. So, yeah, let's go there. Tignan natin kung makapagsalita ako mamaya. So, nakapark na kami guys. Doon, dyan kami nagpark. Yan. Tapos maglalakad na lang kami dito sa Marktplatz. Malapit lang. Tapos, yun na yung ano ko. Yun na yung... Ayan, nakikita nyo. Yan, yung may... Yan. Ito. Second floor. May ngipin-ngipin na design na bintana. Diyan yung dentist ko. Katabi niya lang yan. Katabi niya lang yan. Katabi niya lang yan. Ano yan? Yun na. Yun na. So guys, I'm back in our apartment. And it's just only 10 minutes. Ang bilis talaga guys. Akala ko another session na they will put something. Pero it means the last appointment that the first session that they made, they finished it na. Today, they just only open it and put some new medicine. Still the same. And then the last appointment, check up na lang again. I don't know what. Kasi it's social, but I asked the dentist, what to do the next, ano na lang daw, appointment for check-up. And then also, we received the bill for my root canal. As, I like to share to you guys as well, how much for one root canal, dahil isa lang naman yung nandito sa root canal ko, yung ito. Unlike sa wisdom tooth, na 3 or 2 or 4. So, yan, may mga 2 or 3 yan. But the root, wisdom tooth din, 3 to 4 yan. Pero good thing ito, isa lang. So, siguro sa check-up, final check-up ko guys, baka they will ask me what should I do in the last session. If I want jack crown or temporary or pasta like that. Pero kasi guys, gumagalaw-galaw siya. So, hindi ko sure kung worth it magpa-jack crown or ano, baka pasta lang siguro. And then, we'll see na lang muna. Kasi ang mahal ng jack crown, no? Tapos gumagalaw, ay di, ang mahal-mahal ng bayad ko, tapos hindi naman pala tatagal ng 1 year. Mamaya, hanggang 6 months lang. Hindi, let go ko na itong event ko. Pero at least I try it to do the root canal. Hopefully, it will work. Kasi gusto ko sana ang dami kasing patient today. Pero natapos naman. So, ang ginawa lang today, sa second session is yung, they open it again, the temporary. And temporary, parang pasta. Then, nilagyan ulit ng medicine. Upgraded medicine. And then, they close it na. Another, yung temporary. Siguro sa last part, in check-up, and then, what I want, they will ask me. Yung progress na ng, root canal. So, yeah, I'll update you again on the next, Pero, yun, dumating na yung bill ko. Ito yung bill ko sa root canal. So, ang total bill ko is almost 87 euro. 87 euro for root canal journey. So, kinalculate ko siya in peso. Ang 87 euro is 5,655 for one tooth. So, that's my bill. And, yeah, I hope it's done already. Sabi naman niya, kasi I asked my dentist, because it's only 10 minutes. It was done. And then I already have an appointment again in 21. 21 is my next appointment, July 21. And she said, yeah, that's good. I said, it's really finished? Yes. And she said, yes. And the next appointment is just only checkup? And she said, yes. Or maybe she will just x-ray what's the process or progress of my, hopefully. So, during the first session pa pala, guys, tapos na talaga. Kasi nga, it's just one root canal. Unlike in the other cases, under part of the teeth, yung wisdom tooth, mga ganyan kasi 3 or 4, 2 or 4, sobrang dami. Unlike sa akin, isa lang kasi siya. Good thing na lang. So, tapos na. Ganun lang kabilis. So, akala ko nung first session, inopen lang nila and then they pull out the root. Pero yun na pala, guys. Tapos na pala yun lahat nung June. So, today naman is yung, they just only open it and put a medicine again. Then they close it again. So, yun na. And then, final sa July 21. Balitaan ko kayo, guys. So, ang nangyari din ay, nabayaran ko na tong bill ko last week. Pero, hindi ko pa siya na-reimburse sa insurance ko. Pa-process ko pa lang siya, guys, sa insurance ko. Maybe I will update you in the next vlog. In the last appointment, sa aking appointment na in July 21. I'll update you guys dun sa insurance ko din. Kasi, pa-process ko pa lang. Dahil kakasettle ko pa lang sa kanya sa bill na ito. Then, I'll update you kung anong status ng insurance ko. Kung ibinalik ba nila ng buo, ng alliance, or kalahati, or 3/4 lang yung ibabalik nila. So, let's see kung buong ibabalik yung 87 euro ko. Kung worth it yung insurance. Ay, Diyos ko. Okay, yun lang, guys. Balitaan ko ulit kayo. Cheers!